Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to discuss one of the most important topic of comparative examinations like CSS and TMS, synonyms and antonyms. This is the objective part of English Precis and Composition of special exams CSS 2023. So let's get started. First of all, the first one synonym is omniscient. Choose the word that is most similar in meaning to the capitalized word in each part. इनमें से जो भी capitalized words हैं जिनको capital alphabets में लिखा गया है, सबसे पहले तो आपको उसकी meaning translation आनी चाहिए, ठीक है? Then you will be able to select the right synonym for the right word. The first one is omniscient. इसका जो synonym है वो है all knowing. The second one is resuscitate. इसका synonym होगा revive. The third one is ambivalence. Ambivalence का जो synonym है वो है inconclusiveness. The fourth one is rhetoric. इसका synonym होगा oratory. The fifth one is exonerate. इसका synonym है absolve. The next one is inert. Its synonym is passive. The next one is precipitation. इसका जो synonym होगा वो है rain. The eighth number is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. इसका synonym होगा businessman. The ninth one is lucrative. Lucrative. Its synonym will be profitable. The last one and the number 10th is cynosure. Its synonym will be focus. Now the B part is saying that choose the word that is nearly most opposite in meaning to the capitalized word in each part. A वाले हिस्से में synonyms थे, 10 synonym थे और B वाले पोर्शन में, B वाले हिस्से में पार्ट में antonyms दिए गए हैं. Number 1 antonym is innocuous. इसका जो antonym होगा, जिसका opposite meaning होगा, वो होगा harmful. Number 12 is misanthropist. Its antonym will be humanist. Number 13 is pragmatism. Its antonym will be idealism. Number 14 is pivotal. Its antonym will be centrifugal. Centrifugal. Number 15th is commemorate. Commemorate. Its antonym will be overlook. Number 16th is human. Not human, but human. Its antonym will be cruel. Number 17th is clandestine. Clandestine. Its antonym will be open. Number 18th is communism. Communism. Its antonym will be capitalism. Number 19th is fictitious. Its antonym is factual. And the last one is revere. Revere. Its antonym is dried. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share as well. For more important lectures regarding CSS, PMS and other comparative examinations, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow for more. Thank you.